Well, here we are. It's Tuesday, the 26th, and we're getting ready to go home. We're waiting to find out if Mohammed, the Super Prince, is going to buy any of our cars. And as soon as we know, then the ones we're going to be bringing home, if we bring any home, we'll fill up with all our stuff. And these here that stay will stay, but we don't know. So I just wanted to show you, this is the last shot. Andreas and I just came on over here to check out and see what was here and what condition it was. People sure took a lot of the information and things that we had left, and that was gratifying. People love these old cars, but do they not enough to pay for them, which is kind of sad. We had a great display. It's a lot better than one would think. So let me see what we've got here. And anyway, this is a little bit of the stuff that we left, trophies and pictures of things that we've done with it. Sorry about my shadow, but who knows? Does shadow do? And hello, Andreas over there. There's Andreas. We're kind of here in the dead of the afternoon at 1, but it sure is dead. I just want to get a good shot by in case it does go. I sure in hell want to check it out. I love this car. In fact, I love all my cars, but this one has a particularly good spot in my heart. And it's provided a lot of enjoyment for thousands of people. That's what they do, is make people smile. When they smile, we win. Anyway, we'll let you know what happens if it does sell, and we will be talking to you soon. See ya.